Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you receive error on your Instagram app that you can't follow any more people. So you know that also you can't follow more than 7,500 people. So, but if you receive this error before you have follow 7,500 people, so you just need to wait. So first thing, just try to wait some time. So don't try to follow again, so just wait some time. Sometimes it can be for maybe for 1 hour or 2 hours, for one day, for 1 week. So just wait, and if you don't want to wait, so just try like this, try this way. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data and just turn off Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, when you receive this error, so just try to use Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data. So just try like this. So just use another network, or if you have another Wi-Fi, just try to use another Wi-Fi network. So sometimes it also helps, and if it doesn't help, you just wait, because you need to wait some time until Instagram just unblock the section for you. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.